Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Starlink Wi-Fi password using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Starlink app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, look for settings, tap on it to continue. Inside settings, tap Wi-Fi or network. This is where your Wi-Fi name and password are stored. Now look for password, tap on it to edit, delete the old password, type your new Wi-Fi password, use at least 8 letters or characters, make sure it is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After entering the new password, tap save. Your Starlink router will update automatically, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Starlink Wi-Fi password using the app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.